Alright guys, we have something really rare again. It's a Box Caprice 91 police package. Really clean. We did a mild resto on it. Has new paint, it's rust free, has new seat upholstery, new headliner, and has vintage police equipment installed, siren center console, dash light, deck light, grill lights, all working fine. Runs great. Really rare, those Box Caprice police package nowadays, so we saved this one, and if you're looking for one, go grab it. They're not around a lot anymore. Hallo liebe Unique-Freunde, wir haben heute wieder etwas sehr Seltenes, ein Box Caprice 91 Police Package. Mittlerweile extrem selten geworden. Wir haben eine Mild Resto gemacht, also Neulack, neue Sitzbezüge, neuer Dachhimmel, Police Equipment ist installiert, wie Dashlight, Decklight, Grill Lights, Center Console und Sirene. Rostfrei, läuft sehr gut. Also wenn ihr einen 91 Police Caprice aus den 80ern sucht, hier ist er. Innen drin auch sehr schön. Dash ohne Cracks, ohne Risse, genau wie Türpappen. Alles in sehr schönem Zustand. Interior also in great condition. New seat upholstery, new headliner, no cracks in dash or door panels. Very nice condition. Very solid. Usually the biggest problem is cracked door panels or dash. Not the case with this one. We put a lot of hours and money into it, so it looks nice and great as it does right now.